Hi everybody, this is Felicia with FP Handmade and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video and I have a couple of cards to share with you. So let's get started. So I have items from Hobby Lobby, Amazon, and Scrapbook.com. So from Amazon, I picked up this die set. You really can't see it well. It's by KS Craft and it's called a Cute Fan set. And I tried to find videos online on how to put this together and I just wasn't having any success. So the die set does come with like little different shapes to look kind of like animals and but it's a fan. So I'm gonna work with this some more because you can see it has a lot of die set like Mickey Mouse ears and like a puppy dog or a bear. And it's for shakers, I believe. And then it's a kitty. And then I think one more. Yeah, and then a rabbit. So you put it together with like a fan, but then it has these ears. And so I couldn't really figure it out, or I just was, just didn't feel like I wanted to do that. And here's the body. And here's the fan component. So anyway, purchased that. Well, the little body I thought was super cute. So I just went ahead and cut out like the Mickey Mouse looking ears and the body. And I put two little buttons that I had in my stash. And then these little face that I have in my stash that I also purchased from Amazon. It has a whole bunch of different faces on it. So I thought that was super cute and kind of like, okay, I did make something with that. And so then I also picked up, I also did the little bunny head and I stamped it and put some little buttons and used some paper from my stash. This is some Cricut paper. He's so cute. So I'm going to do some little coloring in his ears and maybe give him some little cheeks to make him kind of look, he's kind of look devilish to me. We got that. And then also from Amazon to go along with the wax kit that I showed in another video by Spellbinders, the sealed kit. I purchased some additional wax and I thought these colors were really pretty. It's really reasonably priced. You have your green, orange, and then like a brown, light green, kind of a, I don't know, reddish, and other colors, even white. So thought this was a good kit to play around with. It came with two of the little candles, but these are incredibly inexpensive and probably won't be using those. And then it came with a spoon that I thought, okay, it's a metal. Isn't that gonna get hot just like this part would? So most likely won't be using this, be using the spoon that's in the kit. But I did, was excited about getting the actual wax. So got that. And then I also picked up another wax seal stamp. This one is simply adorable. It's a bee. I don't know if you can see that, but I can't wait to try it. I'll probably be making a bee card and I have enough bee paper and ephemera and then use this stamp. I'll be showing that in a future video. Okay, that's, let's see, one more item. I picked up some some Cricut. I don't know why I said Martha Stewart. Some Cricut clear acetate sheets. I thought I had some acetate, but I could not find it, so I ordered this, which in the packaging, it was bent like that. I don't know, that just really, I don't like that. So anyway, it looks like it's old, but I just got this, and so I will show you a project in the next video what I use this with. Okay, so from Hobby Lobby, I picked up this really cute Thin-Lit Sizzix stamp set, die set, really cute. I don't know the name of it. I can't find it on here. I don't know if it's just a number under here, 665038. And it comes with all these cute dies for these little vases, and then the greenery, and then the little flowers. So I made a couple of cards with them. So I made this card. It's a thank you card. And then this is a thank you card. I'm using an embossing folder from my stash. And I believe this is a die from Gina Marie. And then that one. And then the little die they do have a die to cut out the middle of the flowers, but it's so tiny that I just use my Nuvo drops. Just drop them in there on all of them. I just wasn't going to be looking for that little bitty. Well, here I did. Sorry. But look how little that is. So, also on these cards, I just wanted to share with you that I use the sentiment set, essential sentiments, and then the matching die. I love this set. It's so simple to use. You just sit back one day while you're watching TV and cut a bunch of these out for future use and just have them on hand. Of course, it has the matching die set. So super happy about that purchase several months ago, maybe even last year. And then last but not least, I picked up from Scrapbook.com this Sweet Ginkgo stamp set, and it does have the matching die. It's a 2-stamp process. You stamp the green part, and then you stamp the veins for the leaves secondly. And here's the die set, and it cuts out all your stamps here. And I made this card. I don't know. I think I should have chosen another paper than this striped green, but I think it's pretty. And then I used some glossy accents to kind of give the flowers or the leaves a little glossy look. So that's all I have to share today. So I have my Inco card and my face cards. Let me know which one that you like, which one is your favorite down below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day. Bye.